MOHSIN NAVEED RANJHA is launching the Meethi Eid Edit Ishrat. Ishrat, the collection is designed to revive our golden traditions. The collection has something for every family member. Ishrat will not disappoint you, because this collection of MOHSIN NAVEED RANJHA is very beautiful. Attire is festive gulabi lal hued shalwar kameez is the vivacious red shirt done is paper silk features, finely embroidered neckline and a spray of Mughal bath motifs all across the shirt done is gold thread work. The matching paper silk shalwar also features thick borders of sequins and embroidery trims around the cuffs. The ensemble is paired with matching gulabi lal dupatta featuring Mughal motifs spread all across and is accented with embroidered borders on all four sides. Mehendi is our traditional dhani green shalwar kameez ensemble. The organza silk kameez is heavily embroidered with pink gold thread work and embellishments like sequins. There is a heavily embroidered neckline featuring birds and floral veins gleam up the hemline. The sleeves are replete with embroidery done the pattern of overlapping patterns. The paper silk izar also features thick border of sequins and embroidery trims around the cuffs. The ensemble is paired with matching green organza dupatta featuring Mughal motif spread all across and is accented floral embroidery bordering of all four sides. Gajra is our traditional chambeli hued gharara ensemble. The top is an anrakha featuring delicate thread embroidery, gota and handwork accents. Done is the pattern of elegant floral venice. Floral venice done is pretty pinks and blues. The gharara is karandi silk featuring gold motifs all across and beautiful metallic borders running across the hemline. It is paired with a matching organza dupatta also featuring metallic motifs and pretty embroidered border across all four sides. Jhumar is pretty Kashmiri chai hued shalwar kameez ensemble. The kameez is made up of embossed paper silk shirt featuring beautiful floral pattern. It features an elongated neckline embroidered with fine thread work and embellished with glittering accents on the sleeves and the front. It is paired with a matching embossed paper silk shalwar featuring thick borders of sequins and embroidery trims around the cuffs. The ensemble the pair with matching pink dupatta featuring embroidered border of elegant floral spring across all four sides. Bindiya is signature livid blue grey hue shalwar kameez ensemble. The elegant shirt done is organza silk is heavily embroidered flowers done with pink gold thread work and embellishments like sequins. There is heavily embroidery neckline and botanical spring. The sleeves are replete with embroidery done in the Mughal jal pattern. The paper silk shalwar kameez also features thick border of sequins and embroidery trims around the cuff. The ensemble is paired with matching livid organza dupatta featuring Mughal motifs spread all across and is accented floral embroidery bordering all four sides. Motihar is our delightful pearl accents traditional Lahori sharara kameez ensemble. The organza kameez is heavily embroidered in patterns of architectural arch and floral vase motif across the front done in tonal threadwork and glittering embellishment. The hem of the shirt and sleeves features meticulous Mughal jal for royal look. The Rumi pajama is done organza and is also decadently embroidered with a thick ornamental border around the cuffs. The ensemble is paired with an organza dupatta heavily embroidered with lotus flower when done is tonal threadwork and accented with glittering embellishment. Wazeb is our delightful Gulnari pink kameez and gharara ensemble. The kameez is done in organza embroidered in grid-like fashion featuring Mughal both motifs enclosed in lyrical nice patterns done in fine threadwork and embellished with charming accents of embellishments. The matching sharara also made with fine organza makes for a regal look and is similarly adorned with fine glorious embroidery and sequins along the hemline. It is paired with definite organza embroidery trims across all sides. Kajal is our festive surmai black pishwas ensemble. The paper silk pishwas features traditional Mughal flair with traditional chandwali motif across the body done in beautiful gold and coral thread work. It is paired with a matching organza dupatta adorned with block printed Mughal motifs and is accented with embroidery bordering on all four sides.